In this Titan video, we're replacing the sway bar end links on my Nissan Titan. This is a 2014 Pro 4X. This will be similar to all 2004 to 2015 Titan trucks. And these are the rough country extended sway bar links. We are replacing them with the Z1 Offroad extendable sway bar links. And that's what they're going to look like when they're finished. So the issue with the rough country ones is that they don't have any ball joints. They're not flexible at all. So they will wear out a bit faster. They also might create some noise because they're flexing the sway bar instead of moving with the sway bar. So we also ran into a bit of issue with these ones as well, and I'll show you that on the install. And I looked up the instructions. There's very poor instructions for these on their website. They say use an assortment of wrenches and assortment of sockets, which is not very helpful. So I'll let you know what we're going to need here. We're going to need, to remove the rough country ones, we're going to need an 18 and 19 millimeter wrench, and I'm going to use a 19 millimeter socket on my impact. And to install the Z1 Offroad, we're going to use the 19 millimeter wrench and a 6 millimeter hex wrench. And what would be really useful, but I don't have right now, is a 19 millimeter ratchet wrench, kind of like this 18 millimeter here. So if I had one of those in the 19, this would make it much easier. And you also might want a short hex wrench too, which I don't have. You can cut off a regular hex wrench to make it short. Probably what I'm going to do is use some vice grips, a vice grip wrench instead, and let's get at it. It is possible, but very difficult to do this with the wheels on, so I just suggest taking the wheels off. I've got the truck jacked up with jack stands and the wheels chalked, and you do want both front tires on the same level, so one side of the sway bar is not up and one side down. It's right now they're both down, and we can take our 18 millimeter and our 19 millimeter and start removing these rough country Yeah, this is where you can use a pry bar to help you a little bit. Either get these bolts out or just prying the bolt head out. Okay. Once one is out, you can pry the whole link out and it should drop out easily like that. These rough country links seem pretty solid. They don't seem to be too deteriorated, but they could be causing extra noise in the suspension by the way they move the whole sway bar. Okay, with the instructions it says to have the sway bar parallel to the ground when the tires are on the ground. With my rough country links, the sway bar was slightly lower than that. These are extended and they're meant for the lift that I have on the truck. So I'm basically going to match the height, with these being a tiny bit longer than the rough country ones were to bring the sway bar up a little bit. And basically the way they came is a little bit longer than the rough country ones, so I'm going to leave it like that. And we'll check the sway bar once I have the new links on and the truck back on the ground. And what you have to do is you have to set these locking nuts here. You have to tighten those down, and we're going to use a 17 millimeter and 11/16. So you can use two 17 millimeters, you can use two 11/16. We're just going to tighten those down to lock that at that setting. Okay, now we can get our new link in the proper place with the ball joints. This is very easy to go on as opposed to the rough country ones, which can be difficult to get in place. So we're going to use the one washer on each side. So you can just flex bolt. You may need to manipulate the sway bar a little bit. Another thing to watch out for is that your two end links are set at the same length. So that was good. On the top one, 19mm. If you have a ratchet wrench, that's great. Use that. If not, you can use a regular wrench. It's just gonna take a while. At some point, it's gonna start spinning on you, and that's where you want your 6mm wrench, but it doesn't fit. So we're gonna use vice grips. Final torque on those is 62 foot-pounds. We're going to put the wheels back on, take the truck off the jacks, and check out where our sway bar is.